Welcome to Dangar Island. Enjoy the video. This is a road in Dangar Island called River View Avenue, and it's steep. Most of the roads are tar, but this is bitumen. This is still River View Avenue. You definitely hear the trains as the Marion passing over the Hawkesbury River Bridge in the distance behind the trees. This is also a property you can buy on the island. 60 Riverview Avenue. Even the bowling club here is open Thursday to Sunday. Thank you for watching this Dangar Island video. Please like, subscribe and share the video. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.